Frustrated searching for the Post Excerpt widget in Elementor? Know exactly where it is and add it in under a minute. We'll open the editor, navigate to Site, and reveal the Post Excerpt widget, plus the upgrade prompt you'll encounter.
Start by going to your Pages list, find the home page, and click Edit with Elementor to open it in the builder. Then, click on the highlighted element that appears so it's selected. Next, click on Site to access its settings. Then, click on Post Excerpt from the options there. Now click the button that reads Use Post Excerpt widget and dozens more pro features to extend your toolbox and build sites faster and better. When the upgrade prompt shows up, click Upgrade Now. Then, click Upgrade Now once more to confirm, and you're all set. Happy building! If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.